Let us see, students. We have to study about the modification of leaves. Yesterday we have discussed about the types of leaves, about the phyllotaxy also. Today we will study about the modification of leaves, that how leaves are modified into different form to perform the different function other than the main function or primary function, like the preparation of food material in the presence of sunlight. As you have studied that the main function of leaves is to perform the term photosynthesis, because this is the common function. But in case of modification, the leaves are often modified into different form to perform the other function except the photosynthesis, and they are modified into different form. First of all, we should have to know that what are the different modification in the leaves, what are the different types of leaves, and why they are modified. So one by one we will study about the type of modified leaves. The first one is leaf spine. Second one is leaf hook. हुक भी हम पढ़ लेते हैं, स्पाइन में हुक को पढ़ लेंगे, लिफ टेंडिल पढ़ लें, लिफ टेंडिल. द थर्ड वन इज फाइलोड. फाइलोड. फोर्थ वन इज लिफ ब्लैडर. फिफ्थ वन इज लिफ पिचर. सिक्स वन इज succulent. Succulent leaf. And the seventh one is called as the floral organ. यहां लिख देते हैं. These are the different type of modification in the leaves. So why leaves are modified into different form? We should have to know that why there is modification in the leaves in different form. If we'll see about the, we should start from the trendil, because in your book it is start from there. अब आपको सर हमारी बुक में तो इतना सारा दिया नहीं है. All the things are given in your book, but these words are not given except the spine and trendil. बाकी सब दिए हुए हैं इनडायरेक्ट रूप में, ऐसे ही सिर्फ शार्ट में दे दिया है. सो वी शुड नो अबाउट ऑल दी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द लीफ टेंडिल. स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर वेरी फेमिलियर with some plants like the pea or other member of the पाइसम फैमिली. मटर की फैमिली के और भी बहुत सारे पौधे होते हैं. एक जंगली मटर कहा जाता है, शायद आप देखिए भी होंगे. in case of that जंगली मटर देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ टेंडिल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. और उसको छोड़ दो, हम जंगली को क्यों देखें जब हमारे पास घरेलू अवेलेबल ही है. इफ यू विल सी the pea plant, then you will found that there is presence of a thread like structure on the upper region of stem. That thread like structure is the modified leaves, and that modified leaves or tendril like structure is helpful to provide the leaves support, due to which it can curl around the stem and plant can get support very easily. In that situation, when the tendrils are thread-like structure which coil around the main stem or any support which is available near the plant, due to which the plant can get support and it can develop properly. Means we can say that this tendril is helpful in the climbing of plants. These tendrils are helpful in the climbing of parts to get support from the anything which is available near the plant. A plant can get support and it can climb very easily. So we can say that this leaf tendril are the modified leaves which provide support to the plants by which it can give support very easily in the climbing. And along with this, if you'll see about the leaf tendril, then these leaf tendrils are unbranched. There is no any type of branch. These leaf tendrils are unbranched, usually unbranched. And for an example, you can see it in the pea plant. It is, or it can be seen very easily in the pea plant, which will be shown in the month of नवंबर और दिसंबर. और जो जंगली मटर की बात हम कर रहे थे, वो गेहूं के यदि फील्ड है, क्रॉप फील्ड लगी हो, तो उसमें भी आपको देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगे. या इस पी फैमिली के जितने भी प्लांट्स है, you can see very easily in that what is the tendril and how these tendril are helpful in the plants. After that, we have to study about the leaf spine also. These leaf, as the word given here, spine, means the leaf part become changed into spine like structure, and that spine protect the plant in different ways. If you have remembered the cactus plant, then you have studied that in case of cactus plant, the leaf is modified into spine like structure, and that spine like structure is helpful to protect the plant from grazing of the animals or browsing of the animals. Along with this, it is also modified to reduce the rate of transpiration, because those plants which grow in dry habitat, due to less availability of water, the leaves are modified into a spine. That's why plant can withstand in absence or less availability of water without any disturbance. So we can say that leaf spine is also the modified leaves to withstand in adverse condition in dry habitat, and it also protect the plant from overgrazing. If you'll see, then there is presence of a prickle like structure. Prickle spine को हम दूसरे शब्दों को prickle कहते हैं, कांटे की तरह संरचना होती है, and that prickles are mostly present on above the stem region to protect the plant from overgrazing, or we can say from the browsing of animals, and to reduce the rate of transpiration. It can be seen in case of cactus plant. आप नाम सुने होंगे cactus का.
Yes, sir.
It can be seen in case of cactus plant. Example बहुत जरूरी है. In cactus plant,
Yes, sir.
there is presence of spine like structure. नागफनी का पौधा है, आप देखे होंगे, उस नागफनी के पौधे पर आपको कांटे जैसी संरचना दिखती है. That prickle like structure are called as the spine, and it is the modified form of the leaves. Okay, the next one is a phyllodes. It is very important to know that what is the phyllodes. If you will see about the plant, then in some plants which is found in the Australia, एक plant होता है acacia, which is found in Australia. बेटा एक सर की कॉल आ रही है. हाँ सर, प्रणाम सर, प्रणाम. बताएं सर, क्लास में. हाँ सर, हाँ जमा करना पड़ेगा. इसमें सिग्नेचर गार्जियन के तौर पर आप साइन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे को आना होगा. बच्चा कितना साइन करेगा. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. नया एडमिशन संगम की फीस अगर कुछ जमा है ना नहीं जमा है, इसके नहीं जमा. किसी और यूनिफॉर्म में फोटो फोटो यूनिफॉर्म में होना चाहिए। ठीक है, हाँ हाँ आधार की फोटो कॉपी, ठीक है ठीक है, हाँ ठीक। सॉरी बेटा, सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस, रजिस्ट्रेशन चल रहा है इसलिए थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेट करना भी जरूरी है। लेट अस सी वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द phylocolate. So what we have studied, there is a plant which grow in mostly found in the Australia, and in that plant what happens, we have discussed that there is presence of lamina and the leaves is mostly pinnately. So in that plant the bipinnate lamina is absent. जो lamina portion होता है जिसको हम लोग पढ़े थे, it is not present, and the petiole region is flattened, and that flattened petiole which carry out the function of लैमिना, इसलिए कि लैमिना एब्सेंट है, लैमिना तो है नहीं उसमें, और जो पेट्यूल रीजन होता है वो फ्लैटन होता है, चपटा होता है, और चपटा होने की वजह से वो फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है किसका, लैमिना का फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है। एंड वी हैव स्टडीड दैट द फंक्शन ऑफ लैमिना इज टू prepare the food in the presence of sunlight. So in the plant acacia the modified petiole is in the flattened form to perform the function of lamina, means the function of photosynthesis is called as phyllodes. उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, phyllodes कहते हैं। There is presence of flattened petiole in the plants to perform the function of lamina, because in these plants the bipinnate lamina is absent. And if the lamina is absent, then how it is possible that plant can perform the photosynthesis? In that condition, there is the presence of petiole in a flattened structure to perform the function of lamina. It is called as phyllodes, and it is found in a plant which is called as acacia. उस पौधे को हम क्या कहते हैं, acacia कहते हैं, and this is the plant which is found in the Australia. Okay, the next one is, आप इसको अंडरलाइन भी कर लेना क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपसे पूछा भी जाता है कि how the leaves are modified into phylocolate. तो आप लिख सकते हो कि it is the special modification of the leaves, mostly it is found in a plant acacia in which the bipinnate lamina is absent and the petiole is flattened to perform the function of lamina, due to which it is called as phyllodes. Now we should have to know about the leaf bladder. As the word given here, bladder, then if there is the presence of leaves in which mostly it is found in case of those plants which are found in aquatic habitat, especially they are the carnivorous plant, aquatic भी होते हैं और carnivores भी होते हैं। तो this leaf bladder is the modification of leaves of the aquatic plant which are carnivorous plant, and their leaves are modified into the small bladder like structure. Due to modified bladder like structure, it can trap the small animals and digest it properly in that bladder, due to which the modified leaf into the bladder like structure is called as leaf bladder. And the common example of this leaf bladder is called as utricularia. Utricularia, it is an aquatic plant which is carnivorous in which the leaves are modified into the bladder like structure, and that bladder like structure is helpful to capture the small animals which is present in the water. They trap the small animals and digest it properly in this bladder like structure, due to which we say that there is modification of leaves, and leaf bladder is present in the aquatic carnivorous plant. Utricularia is an example of this plant, जिसे हम ब्लैडर वार्ड भी कहते हैं. आप पढ़े भी होंगे ब्लैडर वार्ड के बारे में. Bladder, commonly it is called as bladder worm. Bladder like structure is present. And the next and fifth one is leaf pitcher. इससे आप भली भांति परिचित हो. Y'all are very familiar with the pitcher. We have studied that there are some plants in which the leaf is modified in the form of pitcher. Pitcher के form में modified होते हैं. In that situation, what will happen when any insects come and sit on that leaf? In that situation, there is presence of a leaf-like structure, lead-like structure. हम कह रहे हैं that lead-like structure close very soon when any insect sit and it become trapped inside. After then it digest the insect in its body, due to which it is called as leaf pitcher, because the structure of the leaf is modified into the pitcher shape. It is also found in the insectivorous plant, that is called as pitcher plant, commonly आप कहते हो, in which there is modification of leaves into the shape of pitcher to trap and digest the insect. It can be seen in the many plants, and the example of pitcher plant is Neptunia. Neptunia हम लिखते हैं Neptunia. There is another plant that is called as Dischidia. Dischidia, in which there is presence of pitcher-like structure, but that pitcher-like structure is not modified for the trapping of animals. It is modified in the pitcher shape to collect the rain water, which is helpful in the survival of the plant in that condition when there is lack of water. In that situation, the leaves are modified into pitcher shape. Okay, I will take your 5 minutes more only, sir. The next one is succulent leaf. आपके फिजिक्स वाले सर आ चुके हैं, इसलिए आपकी क्लास जल्दी हम समाप्त करेंगे. Succulent leaf is the word given here, succulent. Such type of, इसको हम लोग फ्रूट में भी पढ़ेंगे. Such type of leaves which are fleshy, which are juicy. ऐसी पत्तियां जो काफी फ्लेसी होती हैं, काफी जूसी होती हैं. गांव में एक पौधा होता है जिसे लोग यह कह के उसको लगाते हैं कि वो पथरी वगैरह को गलाने में मदद करता है. नाम सुने उसका? पथरी के इलाज के लिए उसका लोग उपयोग करते हैं. Have you heard the name? क्या कहते हैं उसे?
कड़ी पत्ता.
नहीं, कड़ी पत्ता से पथरी थोड़े गलती है. एक पौधा होता है जो काफी जूसी होता है, काफी फ्लेशी होता है, और उसका यूज लोग कहते हैं कि वो पथरी के इलाज में काम आता है.
तो व्हाइट कलर का होता है जूस उसका.
सर एलोवेरा भी तो
सर व्हाइट कलर का होता है जूस.
जूसी होता है.
हाँ, एलोवेरा भी होता है बेटा, वो भी आ जाएगा, वो भी सकुलेंट में ही आएगा. हम उस पौधे का नाम पूछे नहीं बताया आप लोग. पथलचूर.
नहीं पता है सर.
पथलचूर. ब्रायोफिलम का नाम सुने हो? हैव यू हर्ड द नेम ब्रायोफिलम? ब्रायोफिलम का नाम ही नहीं सुने हो? अरे वही जिसमें वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन होता था, उसके लीफ से नई प्लांट डेवलप करते थे.
यस सर, सुने हैं.
That bryophyllum is also example of succulent leaf. Bryophyllum and aloe is the example of succulent leaf in which there is juice and the leaves are very fleshy, and that fleshy leaves are swollen leaves store the water, mucilage and food material, which is helpful for the plants in adverse condition, because if they are swollen, then there is presence of abundance of water, there is presence of mucilage, there is presence of food material, so they are modified into succulent structure. Succulent fruit भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, juicy fruit के बारे में भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, उस वक्त फिर जानेंगे कि succulent क्या होता है. Okay, and it can also be seen in case of those plants in which there is the bulb like structure, which can be seen in case of onion. प्याज को भी आप देख लो, it is also the example of succulent leaf. जो प्याज के बल्ब होती है, उस प्याज के बल्ब को हम देखेंगे तो there is presence of scales and that scales are also very fleshy. उसको भी दबाओगे तो उसमें सरस निकलता है. It is the example of succulent leaf. आप onion लिख लो, onion लिख लो, ब्रायोफिलम लिख लो, एलोए लिख लो,
एलोवेरा,
हाँ एलोए लिख लो, एलोवेरा भी कर लो, एलोए, ठीक है. तो these are the example of succulent leaf. After that, the last one is floral organ. As we have studied that flower is the reproductive part of plant, but it should be in our mind, students, that the floral organ are also the specialized leaf. These floral organs are the specialized leaf in which there is presence of sepals, there is presence of petals, there is presence of androecium and gynoecium. As we have studied that sepals are the green in color, which are protective in nature. Petals के बारे में हम लोग पढ़े थे कि these petals are attractive. We have studied about the androecium or stamen, that it is the male reproductive part which have the microspore, mother cell. In case of gynoecium, we have studied that it is the female reproductive organ or megaspores are present. So it is this floral organs are the specialized leaves which perform the different function in the plants. So we have studied about the modification of leaves. One topic we have to study, but sir खड़े हैं, उनको जाना भी है कहीं. Function of leaf. So nothing we have to study in it. There is two function. One is called as the primary function and other is called as secondary function. या primary function को हम main function कह लेते हैं और secondary function को accessory function कह लेते हैं. तो primary function में क्या होता है, जो लिप्स के सारे function थे, जैसे वो photosynthesis के function को करते हैं, gaseous exchange होता है, ट्रांसपिरेशन की प्रोसेस होती है, या उनमें जो लिप्स डेवलप करती हैं उनके ऑक्सिलरी बड को या टर्मिनल बड को प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम करती हैं. दे आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ मेन फंक्शन ऑफ प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ द लिप्स. इन केस ऑफ अदर फंक्शन परफॉर्म बाय द लिप्स, जैसे सपोर्ट दे रही थी, पढ़े हम लोग, वो मॉडिफाइड होके फूड को स्टोर करने का काम कर रही थी, जानवरों से चरने से बचा रही थी. दे प्रोटेक्ट द प्लांट्स फ्रॉम द ब्राउजिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स आल्सो. दे आल्सो प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट द ट्रांसपिरेशन इन केस ऑफ लेस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द वाटर, व्हिच आर मॉडिफाइड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पाइन्स और hook like structure. So this is called as the secondary function. Okay students, I'm going to finish your class before 8 minutes because sir is standing here. Okay, चलो बेटा आज के लिए एंड करते हैं मीटिंग को. ओके, बेस्ट